So today I'm going to show you how to use the app Chatterpix or ChatterKid. ChatterKid is the younger version of Chatterpix, but they work in the same way. So go ahead and click on your app and an intro video will play. Now Chatterpix or ChatterKid allows you to record your voice on a photograph. Simply draw a line and record your voice to make it look like the photo's speaking. It'll bring you to this main screen. Your gallery is where projects you've already made will be stored, but we haven't made any projects yet. So we're going to go ahead and take a photograph. So click Take Photo. Now it's looking at my camera to take a picture, but I want to use a picture that I've already saved on my iPad from the internet. So I'm going to click on this right here. A message might pop up asking you if you will allow Chatterpix to have access to your photos. Click yes. So I'm going to go into my camera roll and I'm going to find a photograph that would look fun to make it speak. So I had earlier saved this photo from a Macy's Day Parade. Now once you choose a photo, you're going to see that the next button is flashing and Chatterpix tries to show you what the next step is. Now on this next screen, you'll see that this microphone is blurred out because you're going to need to draw a line in your photograph in order to make it speak. So I'm going to go ahead and try to draw my line. Now if I don't like the way my line looks, I can always redraw it until I do like it. That's good. Okay, and then you can see that this doesn't have an excerpt anymore. It's pulsing. I'm ready to go. Sometimes when I work with students, it's great for them to have a script ready to go so they know what they're looking at. So go ahead and click microphone. This is one of the first floats used in the Macy's Day Parade. Click stop when you're done. And now you can play it to see what it looks like by hitting the green button. This is one of the first floats used in the Macy's Day Parade. Click stop when you're done. Now, if you did not like it, you would hit this red button to re-record. But if you're fine with it, and for our purposes, we're fine with it, we're going to click next on the upper right. Okay, now there's some options before you're done. You can change the filter, which means some of the colors on this. Okay, you can, of course, but mine's an old photo. Maybe I like it like this. Maybe I want it black and white. You could change stickers, frames. You could add additional text. Once you're satisfied, you're going to go ahead and click Next. Okay, your video is now saved to the gallery, but you may not like it anymore. You might want to just throw it out, or you might want to save it to your camera roll. If you want to export this to the internet or upload it to a website, you're going to need to save it to your camera roll. So you click this button right here. Exporting to camera roll pops up. This will take a few seconds. And export complete. Now that you're done, you could check to see that your video is in your photos. So you hit the home button once to take you back to the main screen, and then you can go ahead and click on photos. And then I could see that here's my photograph right here, the video I just made.